Hello, I am DuPage County Board Member Gary Grosso. When disaster strikes, your best bet is to be aware and be prepared. Please take 60 seconds for safety, and please share this video with family and friends.
You know, the weather radio is the one way to be alerted in the middle of the night, for instance, when you're sleeping. I think the most terrifying storms, and the ones that have historically been the most deadly, are those that come in the middle of the night when people are sleeping. I remember when I was working up in Milwaukee, we had a tornado go through West Bend at 12:30 in the morning. This thing came down the side of a 30-degree slope in West Bend and surgically took out a whole neighborhood. This hit at 12:30 in the morning. People had gone to bed. They were unaware of the fact a warning had been put out. When you have a radio, this thing turns on automatically, and the beauty of these is they can be programmed so that they will turn on only for warnings in your area. So you won't be bothered by the warnings that come on from different areas. But it's absolutely critical that you know in the middle of the night that there's a storm pending. You know, we've had disasters in the middle of the night in Orlando, Florida, Evansville, Indiana, gosh, just so many different places, and there's so many examples of where these radios save lives.
Thank you for joining us for 60 Seconds for Safety. For more information from the DuPage County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, just remember the words Protect DuPage when looking for our website or our Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube accounts. Thank you.